Learning disabilities. Learning disabilities refer to difficulties in acquiring and using specific skills, such as reading, writing, or math, despite having average or above average intelligence. It affects the way information is processed, leading to challenges in one or more areas of learning. For example, a person with a reading disability may struggle with decoding words or comprehending text. Specialized teaching methods and accommodations can help individuals with learning disabilities overcome these challenges and develop strategies to succeed academically. ADHD, Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by persistent patterns of inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Individuals with ADHD may find it challenging to sustain attention, follow instructions, organize tasks, or control impulsive behaviors. They may exhibit restless and fidgety behavior. Treatment options for ADHD can include medication, behavioral interventions, and creating structured routines to manage symptoms effectively. Autism, or Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD, is a developmental disorder that affects social interaction, communication, and behavior. People with autism may have difficulties in understanding and expressing emotions, maintaining eye contact, or engaging in social interactions. They may also display repetitive behaviors or intense interests in specific subjects. Support for individuals with autism involves specialized interventions, social skills training, communication strategies, and creating a structured and predictable environment. Dyslexia. Dyslexia is a specific learning disability that primarily affects reading and language processing. It can make it challenging for individuals to decode or recognize words accurately, leading to difficulties in reading fluently and comprehending text. People with dyslexia may have trouble spelling, writing, and organizing their thoughts. Support for dyslexia involves specialized reading programs, multisensory approaches, and individualized instruction to improve reading skills and build confidence. In summary, learning disabilities, ADHD, autism, and dyslexia are conditions that can affect individuals' learning and development. Understanding and addressing these challenges involve using specialized teaching methods, accommodations, and interventions tailored to each person's unique needs. By providing appropriate support and creating an inclusive learning environment, individuals with these conditions can thrive academically and socially.